In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 3D Matterport tour or a 3D Zillow tour or even a video link or your property listing website to the MLS. So first of all, of course, we go to har.com. We go to the add or edit the matrix listing. You're going to enter the MLS number on there, and the option that we're actually going to choose, we're not going to choose manage photos or attachments. That's where we add the photos, of course, and the attachments is where we're going to add the floor plan and the survey and anything else you have with it. We're actually going to manage the tour links. So click on manage tour links, and then you're going to get different options. This is where you're going to put the 3D Matterport tour link. This is where you're going to put the listing video link. This is where you're going to put your property listing website link. And so let me show you how to access those links. If we sent you the media, you should typically receive an email like this. So whenever you scroll down, here is the main download media button. And whenever you click on this, you'll see all of the media that has been uploaded. If something is missing, maybe the video or the Matterport or something special is still processing, then just email us and we will make sure to get that uploaded right away. But you can see, since these have been uploaded already, the Matterport tour, the video, a reel, the property website, that can be added already. And so we don't even have to go into this link, but I'll just do it anyways. Otherwise, you can just copy the links from here and paste them on these sections of the MLS, Matrix MLS. But for now, let's click on this big download media link, accept the licensing rights, and then here are the videos. What we're going to do is we are going to copy the URL. For the videos, what we typically recommend is that you add them to your own YouTube channel. You're investing this media, this money to purchase listing media, and we prefer for you to market it, not just for this listing, market it for the future. Allow people to, whenever they Google you, whenever they look you up on YouTube, allow them to see the different videos that you've done in the past. So if you don't have a YouTube and if you don't want to do that now, you can definitely just copy this URL. This will be active for the time of the listing. And here is the URL to the Matterport tour. You can also download all the photos here and make sure that you have the property listing website is also at the bottom. Okay, so with all of that being said, you go and you paste them in here and you make sure to save that so those links are added onto your MLS listing. Good luck, we're so excited for you.